Welcome to our channel. Today, we're thrilled to unveil potent juicing recipes for longevity and vibrant health. Imagine packing a multitude of nutrients into a single glass. That's the power of juicing, a perfect fuel for our bodies. First on our list is the Green Goddess juice, a delightful blend of spinach, kale, cucumber, and green apples. An antioxidant-rich recipe that boosts your immune system and promotes healthy digestion. Moving on to our Berry Blast juice, a delicious mix of strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, and a touch of fresh lemon juice. It's antioxidant-rich, supports brain health, and keeps your skin youthful. Next, refresh with our Sunshine Citrus juice, a blend of oranges, grapefruits, and a hint of turmeric. High in vitamin C, it's perfect for a strong immune system and fights free radicals. Finally, energize with our Supercharged Energy juice, a revitalizing mix of beets, carrots, ginger, and a hint of lemon. Filled with vitamins, minerals, and energy boosters, it's ideal for increasing stamina. Juicing, a fantastic way to add more fruits and vegetables into your diet. Here's to your health and longevity. Don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes and wellness tips. Happy juicing!